check out this super cool banjo I made for my cousin DJ Comet.
Wow! That's a meowsing!
Ha-ha! Thanks! I can't wait to give it to him. Hey, what are you guys up to?
We're going on crafty-rific adventures. And the first thing every adventure needs is a silly bad guy.
Hacha! Silly bad guy maker at your service. Well then, prepare to quake in fear, because Tricky Trumpet is here. I'm the Tricky Trumpet.
Hey, wait! That's for my cousin!
Whoa! Sorry, Catnip. That trumpet's even trickier than I thought. Oh well. Toodly-doo.
Oh, man!
It's okay, DJ. We just need to get in there and get that banjo back. It's time to turn this milk carton into something to ride. What can we ride that can blast us off into space? A rocket ship!
Whoa! That thing is groovy!
Let's go! 3, 2, 1, blast off! We're in the cat-osphere! Now we just need to find that Tricky Trumpet. Tell me when you see him.
Hey, how's it going?
There he is!
And there he goes!
He landed on planet Cattern!
After him!
We're going in for a landing! Tricky Trumpet!
Wow! That was some nice banjo playing you were doing there. But I made that banjo special for my cousin, DJ Comet!
You called?
Hey there, cousin!
Hey, hey!
See that trumpet? That's his face on the banjo.
Wow! Thanks for the groovy banjo, cousin. But I feel a little sad for that trumpet dude over there.
Yeah, he really did love to play.
Hey! Maybe we could make him a new banjo with our crafty supplies!
I like the way you think.
We can use this ruler for the neck of the banjo. See? They're both long rectangles.
Mm-hmm. Now we need something for the head. Something with a circle shape like this. But which box should we use? That one. There.
We can use yarn for the strings. And we can use craft sticks for the frets.
And for the custom touch... Bam!
Fantastic! I think Trumpet is going to love that banjo.
Come on! Hey, Trumpet, check it out. We made you something. Ooh-wee! You go, Trumpet.
Hey, Trumpet, how about we play a little bit? Yes! Funky!
Woo! Now that was groovy.
Another crafty, ripping, happy ending.